Influencer marketing in 2025 feels like a risky game. You pay creators, hope for viral success, and pray your budget doesn't go to waste. But here's the truth. 52% of brands lose money on failed campaigns. No clicks, no sales, just fake followers and regret. What if you didn't have to guess? What if AI could find the best creators, predict viral content, and make every dollar count? This isn't just another tool, it's the end of wasted marketing. By the end of this video, you'll wish you had started yesterday. Let's dive in. Meet AHA Ads, the AI revolution turning vague influencer campaigns into profit-boosting machines. This isn't just another platform, it's Google Ads 2.0, armed with creators powered by AI and hungry for ROI. Let's have a look at AHA Ads and how you can bring maximum profit using AHA Ads. This is the AHA Ads interface. I will put the link in the description. Once you are on this page, click on Get Started and then create an account. You have to enter some data. Only it's super simple. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this now. Create a new ad campaign. Click on Create a Campaign from here. Now we have to set up our campaign. First of all, set the objective of your campaign. You can go with traffic leads, app, promotion, sign up, and even sales. So select what you need to do. For example, I want to bring more traffic to this page, so I am selecting traffic from here. Now we have to enter our landing page here in this box. I am pasting the URL. If you want to generate leads or sales, then some technical setup is required. You have to add this script to the web page. All right, once you are done, hit the next button from here on the next page. You have to talk about your business. You just have to enter your URL in this box and then click on Auto Complete with AI. AHA, AI will automatically fill in the necessary information for you based on your website URL, and you can see the result. It perfectly scrapes all the data of the website and even detects the competitor product type and business market type. If you find anything wrong, you can always customize it at the bottom. You can see, AI detects the core audiences after analyzing the landing page. You can add more audiences from here. And in the end, you will find the advanced settings. Here you can mention the gender, age, and interest. It will help you reach the targeted audience once everything is set. Hit the next button. Okay, on the next page, we have to set up some other settings. First, the placement. You have to set the platform where you want to place the ad. For example, I am selecting YouTube and Instagram next. You can set the language after that. Set the location. You can set it by continent and country. In the end, you can set the post date. Once done, come to the next page. Now, we have to set the budget for tutorial purposes. I am entering $5 per month. Once you enter the budget, you can see the expected views and your estimated cost savings. Okay, now to generate the audience, click here. It will take around 2 minutes to generate the audience. Let's fast forward this part, and here it is. The audience has been generated. You can see the audiences according to priority and size. AI also mentions the matching reason for all the audiences. Now, you can optimize the audience as per your need. Once you are done, hit the Generate Creatives button from here. Now AI will optimize the creatives once it is done. You can re-optimize it by providing your favorite and viral content. Here you can see that AI finds the best matched content to promote your ad. This feature will help you find the best way and place to promote anything. I love this feature. If you are a marketer, then you must know the benefits of this feature. It will save a huge amount of time. Okay, now come to the next page. On this page, you can add more details to make your campaign more appealing to creators. You can add do's and don'ts requirements that you'd like the creators to follow. In addition to platform requirements, next, you can upload a list of creators you do not wish to work with. After that, you can upload the brand assets you wish to share with creators via Google Drive or other links reimbursement for product trials, upload a YouTube video explaining your product or service to help creators better understand your campaign requirements, highlight the main benefits of your product or service. Okay, next we have the service model here. You can choose the placement between manual and automated. I like to go with automated placement. Now click on the review button to see the review of the campaign. If you find anything wrong on the review page or need to customize anything, then go back and fix it. Once you are satisfied, click on the next button. Okay, now you have to set up the payment method. Once you are done, hit the release button to release the campaign. Ads will review the campaigns and publish the ads. See how easy it is. You don't need to spend hours researching, setting up the campaign and setting up the perfect platform to promote any campaign. All can be done in a few clicks after using this ad campaign platform. I can say that Ads isn't about small upgrades. It's about unlocking transformative growth, maximized efficiency, turn hours of guesswork into minutes of precision, reallocate your time to innovation, not spreadsheets, future-proof, scalability, grow from startup to enterprise, seamlessly. Aha's AI scales with you, adapting strategies to match your ambition, risk-free innovation experiment boldly with performance-based pricing. Every campaign is a learning opportunity, not a financial gamble. Global reach, local impact, connect with audiences in 100+ regions without losing authenticity. AI ensures your message resonates no matter the culture. In conclusion, the future of advertising isn't coming. It's here, and it's not reserved for Fortune 500 giants. It's for you. Whether you're launching your first product or dominating your industry, Aha Ads gives you the unfair advantage. Stop adapting to the future. Start defining it. Aha Ads, where creativity meets RO. Don't forget to try out the platform. The link will be in the description. All right, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Aha Ads. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars, or if you are a content creator, so you need to know these tools. So click left and watch the video completely, or if you want to earn money in 2025, so click right, and I will see you there. Bye.